For installing the shift cables to the Nfinity hub interface on your Nfinity optimized bike, you need cutting pliers, a 2mm Allen wrench, and a ruler. To install the C8 and C8S controller, pull the underdrive cable until the symbol on the display is flat. Turn the C3 controller to full overdrive by firmly pulling the underdrive cable. The small cable stop is fitted onto the underdrive cable 120mm away from the cable housing. Tighten the cable stop at 1.5 to 2 Newton meters and cut the rest of the cable length flush with the cable stop. Leave no more than 1mm of cable sticking out. Next, to install the C8 and C8S controller, pull the overdrive cable until the symbol shows the full mountain in the display. Turn the C3 controller to full underdrive by firmly pulling the overdrive cable. Pass the overdrive shift cable through the overdrive latch. Secure it at 114mm and cut the cable at the mark. Tuck the remaining cable length into the bottom slot of the cable latch. For assembly on the bike, first, put the underdrive cable end stop in the Nfinity hub interface. Then follow by putting the overdrive cable in the Nfinity hub interface.